tools. Today we have our DeWALT rep, Bridget, with us. We're looking at the DHS790. It's a miter saw. It's awesome. Bridget's gonna tell us a little bit about it.
Cool. This is our 12-inch cordless miter saw. So this runs off of 2 FLEXVOLT batteries. So you get about 120 volts of power here. So you plug these 2 batteries into the back of the saw, and you don't need to lug a cord around with you. And you get the same amount of power as if you were using a corded tool. So I'll show you right now how it cuts. It's not plugged into the wall or anything. So another option that you have as well, if you don't want to use batteries and you have this miter saw stationary in a job site, we have this adapter right here. And instead of putting the batteries in, you can put the adapter right into the back of the saw, plug it into the wall for continuous power. So you have 2 options.
You guys are the only company that has that on the market, right?
Yeah, we are. It's
That's
a really
awesome.
good feature to have cordless and corded capabilities.
Definitely, that's really innovative.
Yeah.
Very cool. Well, thanks for coming down, Bridget.
Yeah, thank you for having me.
Absolutely. If you guys can't make it down today, please feel free to give us a call or come down and visit us at the store, and we can demo whatever tool you need to see. We look forward to seeing you.